Welcome to ARDEX Answers. In today's session we're going to be talking about substrate preparation and will a primer stick to contaminated surfaces. When it comes to substrate preparation, it's very important that all contaminations are completely removed, whether it's grease, dirt, paint, dust, overspray. Anything that can inhibit the bond of a product that's placing over top must be completely removed. A common question we receive here is, will the primer fix the bond problem? The answer is no. The primer is only as good as what it's adhered to, so all contaminations must be completely removed prior to the application of priming. Remember, priming will not fix the bond issue. For more information on this topic, please contact ARDEX Technical Services. If you have any questions you want answered, please comment below.